I don't believe that I could have gotten this kind of hands-on real-world experience elsewhere. Ideal Trade Institute is definitely a positive force in my life. I'm a single mom. I was born and raised here in Tucson. Always interested in the construction trade, but being a woman felt that it maybe wasn't for me. So when I saw the school on the news, I saw the opportunity to maybe get into it and see what it's all about, finally see if I could do it. I went back and forth for a long time. I didn't know if I could. I didn't know what anyone else would think about it. And then when I saw the process, I went to the website, saw what it was all about. I decided I didn't care what anybody else thought. This was something I really wanted to do. And so I just took the first step, filled out the application, and went from there. Here. I used to have to kind of give myself a pep talk in the morning to get out of bed. And here it's like every day I'm learning, every day I'm having fun, I'm doing something I love. So life has changed for the better, definitely. And then going from student, learning the whole process, to being an instructor, I feel very fortunate to have been able to become an employee for the company.
This is an inch, every 6.
Some of the life lessons I've learned are that it's never too late to try something new, and you can always surprise yourself figuring out the new things that you can actually accomplish. It's never too late to learn something new, try something new. The Ideal Institute has trained me for the workforce by throwing me into situations that, you don't always know what's going to happen. It's not always going to go the way you plan. So you kind of have to adapt and improvise on the spot. I feel like that's a valuable lesson that I've learned here. Definitely learned some hands-on real world experience, yeah. And these are skills that I can pass on to my daughters so that they're perfectly capable of doing whatever they need to do, and seeing that it's possible for a girl or a woman to do this kind of work. I don't believe that I could have gotten this kind of hands-on real-world experience elsewhere, because this being a school, you're allowed to take your time, ask questions, make mistakes. Everything is a learning experience here. So I don't think that a company would have taken the chance to hire someone with no experience. You obviously have to have some experience going into, especially a trade like this. So I really appreciate the opportunity here to learn some new skills and just be given the chance to try. Ideal Trade Institute is definitely a positive force in my life. I'm really glad that I did take the opportunity.